This is example problem number 4 off of the ideal gas law. So remember, the ideal gas law means we're using this equation to figure out pressure, volume, moles, or temperature. Remember, you only have to use this if a gas is not STP. If it is an STP, we can use the 1 mole is 22.4 liters. But that's not true if we're not an STP. The question number 4 is asking for the molecular weight or molar mass of a gas. So for example, for carbon dioxide, it is 44 grams per 1 mole. So the question is asking for the gas they're talking about, what is the molar mass? Well, we usually can look at the periodic table, but this question does not give us the gas. So we're trying to figure out what is the molar mass of this gas in grams per mole. So let's just start plugging in. We need pressure here. Remember, pressure has to be in atmospheres. It gives it to us in millimeters of mercury, so we have to take 740 divided by 760. Okay, and you can do that and plug it in there, so it's going to be 0.9 something. The volume in this case is 2.6 liters. Remember, N is the number of moles, so we're going to solve for that. R is that constant. It's always the same, 0.0821, and temperature has to be in Kelvin. So they give us 15 degrees Celsius, add 273 would be 288 Kelvin. So if we divide those, multiply by that, we get 2.53. Multiply those two, and we get 23.64, which is times N, times our moles. So divide both sides by 23.64 to get N by itself. So our number of moles is 0.107 moles. So the molar mass is going to be our grams per mole. Well, the question tells us there's 1.85 grams. That's per 0.107 moles. So we can divide those two and get the molar mass. The molar mass of this compound is about 17.3